the second question, that is what? Comment on the theory of, idea of natural rights. So again I told, what is the, always identify what is the keyword. Keyword is what? Comment. The other keyword is what? Natural rights. So you can write an introduction that is something related to rights, such as you can say Harold J. Laski says that no person can be at his best without rights. Then you go on to say that natural rights is one of the oldest theory of rights. Then you can say John Locke is considered as the father of natural rights. Natural rights are those rights that are given to the individuals by the nature, and these rights are what you can say inalienable, are very essential for human development. John Locke considered right to life, property and liberty as natural rights. But however, there is no fixed definition of what considered as natural rights. Thomas Jefferson considered along with this, what is that, happiness or something as one of the idea of natural rights. However, it has been also critiqued. What is a critic? One you are going to write? Jeremy Bentham, who calls them as what? Nonsense upon stilts, or the language of the terrorists. And he also calls them as chimera, anarchical, okay, fallacies. Then you can write, on the other hand, Hobbes says that even though he agrees that natural rights, he says that they are covenant without swords, are nothing but words. But in spite of this criticism, today one can see that natural rights has evolved into what we call as human rights. Hence it is said natural rights are human rights in its embryonic form. This you can use as your conclusion. Natural rights are human rights in its embryonic form. Got it? All right. You're understanding. So it's always about, see, content. Almost everybody will have the same content. It's more about articulation and how do you organize your points. You can also write teleological perspective. Thomas Bentham, right? 100% include whatever. If you need 10 marker, try to reflect more names, more keywords, right? Because there is no so much explanation here. It's more about showing to the evaluator I know many things. You can write, that will be good.